Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a scam URL checker in Python. So this is going to check for scam URLs in a text file. So first of all, I've imported OS here, import time and import RE, which is regex. So what I've done, I've created a function in Python called website detection. Then I've created a variable here called path and assigned it to my desktop path. This is where my file is, the file that I'm going to search through for the scam URLs. Okay, then I've used os.chdr into that path, so that will change the directory into the path above. I've created a variable here called file name and assigned it to input. So we're going to get the user input. So the user is going to type in a file name. And once the user types in that file name, which is going to be the full file name, then what we do is we come onto the conditional here called if. So we're going to evaluate something and we're saying if os.path.exists, the file name here. So we're actually checking to see if this file name exists. And if it does, we're going to go into a for loop here. We're going to use URL to iterate over that. And we're going to open up the thing here, urls.text. Okay, so we didn't actually need to put that in. I would just put that in as file name. Okay, so this is going to be file name up here. So that's file name, which is going to match the input here. Let me just save that. So we're going to match an IP here. So we're going to use these for matching numbers. Okay, so we're going to use another conditional here once we loop through the file. And we're going to use re.search. So this is the regex. So we're going to search for numbers here. And we're also going to search for login. And this pipe here means or. So we're going to search for login or verify or secure or for PayPal spelt like that with the 1 on the end, or for Amazon spelt like that with the 0. And we're going to search for that in the URL. And then we're going to print scam URL, url.strip. So we're going to check the URL, and the RE here on the end is to ignore uppercase and lowercase. So we're going to ignore uppercase and lowercase, and we're just going to scan everything literally. And then if it's a scam, we're going to print out scam URL, and we're going to interpolate the URL there. Well, not interpolate it, we're going to place it there. And then if that isn't the case, we're going to use else here. So we're going to print OK and the URL again. Or else we're going to have to close this conditional up here. So if ospath.exists, the file name. Else if it doesn't exist, we're going to use the F string to interpolate the file name into this string here and tell the user it doesn't exist. So let's just save that and let's just run it. Hopefully, before we do that, I'm just going to show you the file that I'm scanning. Okay, the file that I'm scanning here has some legit URLs and it has some dodgy URLs here. Okay, let's just go in. So this file is called urls.txt. Hit enter. Okay, and there we go. Lightning fast that. So the URLs at the top are legitimate URLs. So it's given us the OK there. These URLs are the scam URLs. So Python has told us these are the scam URLs here. Anyway, that's just about the end of the program. So end of the video, end of the program. So thank you very much for coming along with me. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. The link is below. Give it a big thumbs up and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.